In this video, I'll show you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. The important thing to know first is this. Apple does not give you a normal option to reveal your Apple account password, also called your Apple ID password, from the iPhone settings the way you can view saved website or app passwords. Apple's support pages explain how to change or reset that password on iPhone, but not how to display it directly. So if you were hoping to simply open settings and see the password, that option usually isn't available. Instead, what you can do is go to Settings, tap your name, then tap Sign In and Security. From there, Apple says you can choose Change Password if you know your device passcode and want to update your Apple account password. If you forgot the password, Apple says you can still recover access on the iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Sign In and Security, and use the password Reset or Change option to continue. You may be asked to enter your iPhone passcode and follow the prompts to reset the password. Now, don't confuse this with saved passwords for websites and apps. Apple does let you view many saved login passwords in the Passwords section or Passwords app, but that is separate from your Apple account password itself. So the short answer is simple. You generally can't view your Apple ID password directly on iPhone, but you can change or reset it from your Apple account settings if needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.